Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel Marksheet updated. Open a fresh workbook and label columns for name, ID, and each assessment, then freeze the top row. Plan your grading scheme and weightings before entering scores to avoid rework. Use data validation to limit entry errors and conditional formatting to highlight low scores automatically. Save periodically and keep a backup copy to prevent accidental loss. Create reliable formulas to compute totals and final marks for every student. Begin with SUM for totals, and then build a weighted average formula that multiplies each score by its weight and divides by the total weight. Use absolute references with dollar to keep weight cells fixed when copying formulas down. Test formulas on a few rows, then drag them across to populate the entire sheet quickly and accurately for all students. Quick recommendation: if you pack lunches while grading spreadsheets, these leak-proof meal prep containers make lunch cleanup foolproof and keep dress shirts safe from sauce disasters. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful guides. I mention this container because it saves time between marking sessions and keeps you focused. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Polish the Marksheet to prevent mistakes and make reading simple for teachers. Set data validation rules to allow only numeric entries within valid ranges and show helpful input messages. Use conditional formatting to color failing grades, missing scores, or exceptional performance so issues stand out. Standardize number formats to percentages or 2 decimals, and lock the structure with protected sheets when sharing to avoid accidental edits by others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.